Hi and mother-frickin' welcome to this video. As of today we are on the M209. It is super cold, but I'm wearing a lot of clothes. And we are on our way to pick up my buddy, RookieMC. You know, today is a special day. Today is a day that we are going to celebrate. Today is possibly the greatest day of this year so far. Today, RookieMC is picking up his brand new 2020 R1M. Oh my god, it's gonna be great. So here's the thing. I will be picking up RookieMC at a petrol station as of right now. That's where I'm headed. And then we are going to go to his Yamaha dealer and pick up the brand new R1M. It feels odd saying it because he did have an R1 60th anniversary before, but R1M, goddamn, you lucky bastard. I mean, it's a really cool bike, but as most of you probably know, I can't ride it because of my back. I realized that I said to myself when I made the first video, and then the coronavirus, like COVID-19, which is not Corvid, which I said in the last video. It's not Corvid, it's COVID. Stupid Drakenhoff. I thought this would be like an opportunity for me to I'll get my bike, I'll make a lot of videos, you know, everything will be good, fine and dandy. So one of those things did happen. I did pick up my bike. So yeah, I was gonna post a lot of videos in my head. I said to myself, I'm going to post a lot of videos, but then funny enough, during these times, work came up. I don't want to bore you with this. You probably came here because I have an R1M in the thumbnail. So let's get to RookieMC and then we'll go and look at the bike. There he is. Hey buddy.
Hello, how you doing?
Good. Are you excited? Corona all over.
Yes, picking up new bike, yes.
Yes. Jeg må ha GPS, jeg.
Du må ha GPS, ja.
Jeg vet ikke hvordan man... Jeg har aldri... Nei.
Kjør opp der.
Vil du opp der? Ok. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so I've picked up Rookie. Wow, and I don't know if you can hear him, but he's vlogging as well. So make sure to check out his video on this stuff right here. So right now we are heading to the place where the bike is. Oh, let's see. Yeah, we're fine. God, it is scary riding with two people. I am trying to do this as smoothly as possible so that I don't scare Rookie. Don't scare the Rookie. That's bad. So we're probably gonna go take some pictures later today. We'll see. After we've picked up the bike. I don't think we're gonna go for a secondary trip because it is freaking cold. It's like 7 degrees right now, which is nicht gut. Oh, look, a bike. We can wave. Hi, what's up? Nah, water. Oh, the popo. Hello. Don't know, please. Thank you. Here we are. At last. Are you ready, Rookie? Maybe it's standing outside. Nope, no it's not. Yes!
Hvordan gikk det å ha meg bakpå? My fat ass on your backside.
Jeg lurer på hvor lav sykkelen egentlig er.
Ja, det lurer jeg på.
Ja.
Jeg følte at jeg satt jævlig nærme dekket.
Ja, jeg tror ikke det er noe du bare føler. Jeg tror det er sånn. Det er dritkaldt på hendene da. Ja.
Det er kjølig i dag, altså.
Ja, men jeg har på meg vinterhansker også. Jeg skjønner ikke hvordan du har det.
Jeg bare ser på at jeg må huske noen kåper igjen, og så går vi over.
Look at that happy boy. Ooh-wee. Brand new 2020 R1M. Ooh, 0 kilometers. Off we go. Congratulations. Right now we're on our way to fill some gas on the bike and then on both bikes actually, and then we're gonna take some photos. Oh, look at that. Jesus Christ, that was an old Lambo or something.
Første som skjedde når jeg kom ut på veien der, en gang gass.
Huh?
Slapp med en gang.
What? Shit, altså. Det er gæren. Come on, you can play with your toys later. Go on, start the bike. Yay! Oh, there's a line. Wow! Det er samme sykkelen, jo. Da vet du hva, du har invertert min. Do it for the gram. Alright, so we have taken some pictures of that bike. Very nice. Very nice. So, how do you like it?
It's okay.
Maybe you could like buy a real bike next time, like a Harley.
It doesn't even move.
No. Stupid. It's stupid. Alright, good luck next time buying a bike.
Thanks, man.
So again, congratulations on the bike, Rookie. It is beautiful. Hopefully I'll be able to edit these photos quite quick. If you're not following me on Instagram, I mean, you could if you want to. I post a lot of photos. Hopefully they're high enough quality for you to press that follow button. Very nice. No, I'm not doing anything. I was gonna do it again, but I didn't have time. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to follow RookieMC and, well, probably me as well if you're not following me already. And then I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.